What is going on, everybody? James of Blue Eye Tech coming here, and today I'll be unboxing the Nest Hub from Google. Now, this is the second generation one right here. Now, I ended up getting this for free with my mattress, and that was kind of confusing to me because I was like, well, why is a mattress company sending me a Nest Hub? Is because this actually has sleep tracking built into it. So I'm actually really looking forward to testing it out and seeing how it compares to something like my Apple Watch. But let's see what this thing actually has to offer here. If you look here on the side, you could use things like YouTube, YouTube Music, Google Photos, Google Maps, Google Calendar, Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, Philips Hue, and GE, which is actually pretty awesome to be able to have these because actually I'm currently really engrossed in the Amazon ecosystem with their Alexa devices, and I don't have a lot of these services on the Echo Show I recently unboxed, or even my Echo Show 5 that I unboxed a while ago as well. But you pretty much have a lot of these different functions. It's kind of cool to actually be able to use that. It is a 7-inch display, so it's kind of sit in between the Echo Show 5 that I currently own and my Echo Show 8. So I think 7 inches actually is a good display there. I do like the look here. It actually shows all the different complications you got right there. It's not just kind of cycling through. And this will be something I'll learn more about as I use the device. But yeah, let's unbox it and see what we get inside. As soon as you open up, you get pretty much the Nest Hub right there, right in the front. Now, this does not have a camera on it. It does have a sensor right here, but there's no camera on it. So you got the two microphones and the sensor for the sleep tracking. And let's see if we get this out here. It's actually really nice looking. I like the fabric design here on the back. You got the power port right there. Looks like you have a mute switch that you could just kind of toggle on and off. Got the rubber bottom right there, similar to what you get with the Amazon Echo Show. It's actually pretty lightweight. It's actually not that heavy, which is really nice. It's not nearly as heavy as the Echo Show 8. And looks like you got the volume up and down rocker right here. Very clicky like that. Let's take this off. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see what else we get here on the box. Let's see. Got the paperwork here, like get started paperwork. And then we probably will just end up getting just the power cord. Yep, just the power cord here for the hub. And it looks like a pretty lengthy power cord there, which is nice. Now let's actually plug this thing in and power it on and see how it looks.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right, so it looks like I'll have to just do the setup process, which I'll do later after this video. So if you guys plan on picking up the second generation Google Nest Hub, this is pretty much everything you'll get here in the box. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you guys want to catch more videos like this in the future. As always, it's been James Blue Eye Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.